Igbo's in southeast should thank Buhari for Kanyu's arrest. His plan was to subdue the southeast region with his criminal armed wing. Just like his weaponed ISIS, they would impose tax on the region. Before you contest elections you pay them. You buy a new car you pay to get their emblem. Buy land, you pay them before building. Want to have any function, traditional marriage etc., you get clearance from IPOB. Pay them before you offload any container in the SE. Pay them before you have church crusade. Then render services such as assassination. It was never about Fulani, but to milk Igbos. After he got settlement for the last election in Anambra, he assumed he would get more with armed criminals this time. The only way to end this rubbish in Igboland is people should start giving information on Kanu ESN, which has metamorphosed to unknown gunmen in southeast. Me so on point because all their activities have been against the Easterners. I doubt that they are part of us.